Hi guys, I'm here to talk about 5 mistakes you can do while juicing. I think this is important to cover these 5 items because it can help you down the road. Mistake number 1, not washing your fruits. Washing your fruits is essential. You want to be able to soak them with sea salt or salt for at least 20 minutes so that you can get rid of all the pesticides, all the chemicals, and they're clean and ready to juice. Number 2, using more fruits than veggies. You want to definitely apply the rule of 80-20 when it comes to juicing. You want to get more vegetables than fruit. 1, because you want to be able to get the chlorophyll, the calcium, the iron, and all the minerals that vegetables have. The other 20% you want to get, of course, the fructose from the fruits and the delicious taste. Number 3, waiting too long to drink your juice. So you definitely want to drink your juice right when you juice it because that's when all the nutrients are like potent and it's the best way to absorb your juice. Not wait too long because after too long, the nutrients will die. Number 4, drinking your juice with a meal. The best way to drink your juice is on an empty stomach right after fasting from nighttime because you won't put your digestive system to work and you're gonna get all those nutrients in immediately into your system. It is amazing. Number 5, storing your juice in plastic containers. Please try to avoid this. You wanna make sure that you store your juice in an airtight lid, bottle preferred, to prevent oxidation and also to prevent the nutrients from dying. These are my 5 top mistakes that you want to avoid when you start your juicing journey. I hope this helps, and if you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving away more tips as we go along the way, and stay tuned.